Right now, right in front of your eyes, I'm going to launch Pump and Rug, a meme coin. If you want to stop being the victim and finally understand the developer's playbook, watch to the end. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Today, I'm performing a real-time rug pull tutorial from the developer's perspective. I'll break down the exact strategy, from token structure to the deployment phase. You're about to see the technical decisions that happen before the launch to ensure a successful exit. This is a complete rug pull explain breakdown. We're leaving nothing behind the scenes. I'm using a specialized tool for this rug pull demonstration, and you can find a link in the description below. This is the industry standard for launching meme coins instantly because it eliminates the need to write complex smart contract code to deploy your token on the network. We are going to use a simple strategy. We'll just copy a popular meme coin and replicate its success. I've already found a token with a very strong chart, and I'll be cloning it. Our objective is to build a massive buyer base, create an illusion of growth, and then perform the final move to take the profit. Now, I'm copying the coin's name and pasting it into the rug pull tool. I'll also copy the project symbol, which is a vital structure of every meme coin. It's literally the face of our project. Our tactic has a 90% success rate because we are copying a meme coin that is already trending. This creates a sense of reliability for scanners. A vital professional tip for Solana development, always set your decimals to 9. This is the standard for the SPL token program, and any deviation will make your token look amateur or broken to experienced traders. Now let's look at the supply management. We remove the default numbers and add exactly 9 zeros to our base, creating a total supply of 1 billion tokens. This specific figure is psychologically ideal for the crowd hunting for multipliers, as it provides a low unit price that retail buyers find irresistible. For the metadata, including the project description and visuals, we mirror the original coin's branding with surgical precision. In this market, visual authenticity is your primary bait to bypass initial skepticism. Once all fields are filled, we launch the project. Right now, I'm confirming the transaction in my Phantom wallet, paying the gas fees for the official registration of our token on the Solana mainnet. Now we need to find the token address. It will be very useful for us. Open the wallet you used to pay the gas fees for creating the meme coin, go to the transaction history, and find the one related to the token mint. There it is. Click it and scroll down to the specific item. Then we can get the meme coin address from the mint field. Once the token is launched, we head straight to Raydium to initialize the liquidity pool. This is the engine of the entire operation. Now I'll change this to my token. Paste in the address we copied from mint. Change the memcoin symbol and name and add it. I strongly recommend adding at least 5 SOL as starting liquidity to attract more buyers and ensure the token generates more multipliers. You can also do this with only 1 SOL, but you will earn much less in percentage terms compared to 5, 10, or 30 SOL. By providing 5 SOL or more to the pool, we create a stable looking environment that encourages larger and more confident entries. The liquidity is now locked in the pool and the trap is officially set. Now go to Dex Screener and replace the token address with our meme coin in the link. Since we just created a liquidity pool, the token hasn't loaded yet. You'll need to wait. This usually takes about 2 or 3 minutes. Token launched. Watch the screen closely as the sniper box begin filling the order book within seconds of the pool creation. This automated volume is essential because it pushes our token into the new pairs and trending sections of the analytics platforms. This specific reach attracts the real whales and retail participants we are targeting. I'll time-lapse the chart for a few minutes so you can see the momentum building. Notice that $40 buy followed by an even larger position. The fear of missing out, or FOMO, is now driving the price action as buyers race to get in before the next jump. The moment of truth arrives when the chart goes vertical and the buy-to-sell ratio is heavily in our favor. This is the peak of our exit liquidity. I'm heading back to the Raydium interface, locating our specific liquidity provider position, and selecting the option to remove 100% of the funds. With one final confirmation, the liquidity is pulled from the pool and the trading pair is effectively neutralized.